Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to disable the lock screen in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So type run, type registry editor, yes, and now we're gonna do step by step, okay? So navigate to H key, local machine, software, scroll, policies, go to Microsoft, like this, because Microsoft, right click new key, rename it personalization, go right click on newly created folder and select new dword 32-bit. And what you're going to do now is that you're going to right click it, rename it no lock screen, double click it and type 1 and OK. And now restart your PC, and that is it guys. Thanks for watching, and leave a like, share, subscribe and comment down below your thoughts, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, have a nice day.